Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with me. I'm Maria.
And I'm Leonardo. How's everybody doing today?
Today we're talking about something super simple, but so powerful. Repeating things when you learn English.
Oh, I love this topic. Honestly, this is exactly how I improved my Portuguese.
Really? Tell me more.
So, when I moved to Brazil, I didn't know much Portuguese at all. And at first, I kept trying to learn new words every single day. New. But nothing stayed in my head.
That's so relatable. I think a lot of learners do that.
Right? But then my teacher told me, Leonardo, you need to drill the same phrases over and over. And I was like, okay, let's give it a shot.
And did it work?
It totally paid off. After a few weeks, I could actually speak without thinking so much.
That's amazing. It's the same with English learners. A lot of people give up too soon because they don't see results right away.
Exactly. And speaking of giving up, I almost gave up on learning guitar too. Different topic, same problem.
Okay, back to English. So here's the thing. When you repeat a sentence many times, your mouth and your brain start to work together. It becomes automatic.
Yes, it's like you don't have to think, how do I say this? It just comes out naturally.
Exactly. And here's a tip. Don't just repeat silently in your head. Say it out loud.
Oh, that's key. When I practiced out loud, I noticed my pronunciation got so much better.
Totally. Also, I always tell my students, practice makes perfect. It's a bit of a cliche, but it's true.
It really is. And honestly, at first, I felt kind of silly repeating the same sentence 20 times.
I bet. But that's normal.
Yeah, but I just kept going, and eventually, it clicked.
That's the beauty of it. Small steps, repeated daily, lead to big results.
Couldn't agree more. So guys, if you're struggling with speaking English fluently, don't give up. Keep repeating those key phrases.
Yes. And now, let's break down some of the expressions we just used, because they're super useful for your daily English.
Okay, first up, give it a shot. This means to try something.
Right. For example, I've never cooked pasta before, but I'll give it a shot.
Next, we said pay off. This means something brings good results after effort.
Example, she studied every night and it paid off. She passed the exam.
Then we used drill. In learning, drill means practicing something again and again.
Like, we drilled these vocabulary words until we remembered them easily.
And don't forget, it clicked. This means you suddenly understand something.
Perfect example. I didn't understand grammar rules, but after practicing, it clicked.
Last one, give up. This means to stop trying.
For example, don't give up on your English goals, even if it's hard sometimes.
Great expressions, right? Super useful for everyday conversations.
Absolutely. Now let's move to our final section, where we help you sound more natural. Okay, Leo, first sentence. I am very tired today.
A more natural way to say it is, I'm exhausted today.
Exactly. Exhausted sounds more native and expressive than very tired.
Next sentence, I don't know this word.
Native speakers often say, I'm not familiar with this word.
Oh, that does sound smoother.
It does. It's more natural in daily conversation.
Last one, I want to improve my English.
A better way is, I'm working on improving my English.
Ooh, I like that. It shows continuous effort, not just a wish.
Exactly. Small changes like these make you sound way more fluent.
I love this section every time.
Me too. Okay, guys, that's it for today's episode.
Remember, repetition is powerful. Practice these phrases out loud every single day.
And now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments using one of today's words, like give it a shot or pay off.
We'd love to see your sentences. Don't be shy.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time on Speak English with Me.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.